Hi guys, my name is Helvian Trika Sudari Putri. This time, I want to tell you what I did at home. And I think it's been more than half a year that we all study and work from home due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And I also study online. And for me, every day I do things that are repeated. Wake up in the morning, take a shower, have breakfast, a tour from 8 in the morning to the evening, and it repeats itself every day. And here I have video a little snippets of my daily life and whatever I do in a day. Let's watching. So this is when I work on assignments or watching music video. And you can see guys, on my table there is a collection of my assignments. Then there are books too. You can see lots of photos in the desk. And I also post certificates from elementary to junior high school. And there's Sipo. He always came up into my bed. How my dolls becomes victims of his bites. Sipo, come here. Huh. He didn't come to me. Okay guys, so that's all in my room. And the point is, when I do assignments and lectures, I do it in here. I used to also prepare lunch for my sister and me. For this afternoon, I fried some nuggets and sausages. And Sipo is not left behind, of course. So this is for our lunch today. Yep, when we eat, Sipo always want to ask for our food. Like this. And this time I give him some bites of sausage. And this is when I feed Sipo. I'm usually feed Sipo 3 times a day. Okay, guys, this is indeed a cookie holder, but contents are not cookies, but fish food. I usually feed the fish in the front pond every morning, every afternoon, and every evening. Actually, we used to raise cod and tilapia, but now my uncle leaves a lot of catfish in the pond. So yeah, now we have so many catfish in the pond. Sipo often stays in the front of my room, like this, and to refresh my mind, I often play with him. Sometimes he does what I say, but most of the time he strays. Sipo and I also often play on the terrace and on the living room. You can see guys, how adorable he is. So that's just a little snippet for my daily activities. And of course, by studying and working from home, there are positive and negative impacts that we feel. And for me, the positive impacts are being able to meet and spend more time with family, save money, and of course, at home, we are kept away from the COVID-19. Then the negative impacts are that of course we feel bored. Over time, it can also become stressful also because it's too long at home. I'm not at home all the time. I usually go out of the house, take my mother away when there is a meeting at church, and shop for the necessities at home. And of course, I left the house and I still follow the health protocol recommended by the government. I wear a mask and I always wash my hands too. And I think we definitely want this pandemic to pass quickly. So don't forget to pray to our God. And of course, we must be able to keep ourselves from leaving the house if there are no important matters. We must always be able to follow health protocol because the government knows what is the best for our nation. So guys, that's all I can tell you for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and bye bye.